Are you running a Shopify store but struggling to turn visitors into loyal customers? What if I told you that one simple tool, that's Klaviyo.io, can help you automate your emails, boost sales, and build stronger relationships with your customers on autopilot? So in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up Klaviyo on Shopify from installation to your first automated email campaign. And by the end, you'll have a fully customized email marketing system working for your store. So let's get started. First of all, you notice here that I am on my Shopify homepage. I've set up a new Shopify store just to show you the process. First, you need to install Klaviyo. And for this, from the menu on the left here, go ahead, click on Add Apps. And you'll see some top picked apps for you. Now, Klaviyo should show up right here. However, if it doesn't, go ahead and click on the Shopify App Store. If it does show, simply click on it to install. But if it doesn't, click on Shopify App Store. Then at the top here, search for Klaviyo. Hit enter. And you should see it right here, the Klaviyo email marketing and SMS. With this tool, you can set up email marketing campaigns as well as SMS marketing campaigns. Now, you want to click on install here. And then in this page, click on install once again. And now you need to fill this form with your email password, creating a Klaviyo account. So it does use my email that I used to sign up to Shopify. Now I need to select a password. Okay, the company name, let's say my store, leave it as is. The phone number, you need to add a phone number. So I'm going to add one pretty quickly. And then click on another robot in order to confirm. And then solve this puzzle. And once it's done, click on get started. And you'll be directed to this page right here where you can connect your Shopify account to your Klaviyo account that you just created. Now here you can add the Shopify URL or you can set it up later. I'll just do it later. And now you need simply to answer some questions. So how many contacts that you have? Let's say less than 1,000. Now you need to add your address right here. So I'm going to add it pretty quickly. Then add the sender information. Okay, sender name, my store. Now the sender email address. Okay, now continue. And how do you want to reach your subscribers? Email only, SMS only, email and SMS. So this is the type of campaigns that you want to set, or you can set email or SMS campaigns. However, note that the SMS campaigns are currently only available in these countries. So if your country or the country that you want to locate your store in, or you want to ship into your customers, need to be in this list if you want to create SMS campaigns. For this video, I'm going to create an email campaign. So let's say email only. And now you need to connect to Shopify. So I'm going to connect it. I skipped this step in the setup just to show you the next setup steps that you want to do. However, I want to connect it right now. Okay, the Shopify URL. Let's go back in the tabs here to the Shopify store. And then I'm going to go to the settings. And this is the URL under my store. This is the URL for your store that you want to copy. And then go back here to Klaviyo and paste it. Okay. And now you can select a list. Let's say email list. Okay. And then click on connect to Shopify. Now you need to confirm the integration. Click on integrate. And now the integration is successful and the Shopify settings has been added. And now you've successfully installed Klaviyo into your Shopify store. And now to confirm that the integration is successful, go ahead to Shopify. Now I'm on my Shopify store once again. I'll close the settings menu or icon. Now here, click on apps, not add app. Click on apps to view the apps list. And now the installed apps, you'll find Klaviyo. If you click on it, you'll open the same page, the Klaviyo page or your Klaviyo account. And here is where you can set up your first campaign. And now you are prompted or you are asked to create your first coupon as a step that you can do in order to get started growing your business. However, I'll just do it later. Now, what you want to do is go to campaigns here from the menu on the left. And then you can be guided through the first campaign or build your own. I'm going to build my own. And here are the campaign status or the campaign details. Here, the campaign name, let's say, for example, test campaign. And now the date, the type, email campaign, the tags, you can add tags if you want to. Now continue. And the campaign is now set. Now you want to send this campaign to like preview list, email list, for example. And you can add this do not send to or add some exceptions that you don't want to send the campaign to. You want to enable UTM tracking and then click on next at the top right. And here you have your templates that you have set up before. You haven't created any templates yet. Let's view the email library. And this is where you can view all the templates for email campaigns. You can choose a template that you like and then edit it to your liking, editing all the aspects from text to the photos and the logo and everything. So let's say I like this one. Click on it. You can view how it looks like on desktop or on mobile phone. Looking good to me. Okay, now you can cancel it and choose another one or use this template. So I'll click on use template and it'll open up in the editor. Now you can switch between the mobile and desktop view at any time. And you can even draft it with AI and preview and test once you finish editing. So if I click on any element right here, for example, the header, I'll see all the settings from the left menu here. Here is the logo. I can replace it. So I click on replace. And here you have some images. However, I want to upload an image. Okay, select image from my computer. And I'll just select a random image here. And this is an image that I generated with Leonardo.ai. Of course, that doesn't have anything to do with my Shopify store, but I just wanted to show you. I can add text here, it has description. So this is my logo. Okay, you can add a link here if you want to. And here you can edit the logo positioning on the left, on the right, or in the middle. And you can edit here the link text that you can add if you want to. Now for the main body, if I click on it, I can view the images. I can replace the images, upload an image or import URL, or even from my product images. I don't have any products yet. So I'm going to upload an image. Okay, another random image here. Open it and it'll be uploaded. And it'll be added right here into the body. Now you want to add, of course, your product image or any like notification that you want to send your clients. Okay, now for this text here, if I click on it, I can edit the text if I want to. Double clicking on the text here is highlighted. And let's say test text, just anything. And here the other text or the title, here's the title. Now you want to edit the main text. If I double click to highlight it, I can edit it as I told you. And here you can have the settings or the border settings, the background color. Let's add a background color, for example. Let's make it bluish, dark blue. Okay. Then here you can do the same with any like part of the template. If I click on the button right here, I can edit the button text. And let's link it to, for example, google.com. You can edit the font, edit the font color, font size, make it bold, italic, and everything, and the style as well. You get the idea. Now let's say I am finished editing the campaign or the email campaign. This looks good to me. Now I want to click on preview and test. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. And once all is done, click on done here and then click on next. And then you can edit the email message here, the subject line, the preview text and everything. And so let's add, this is my first campaign. Of course, you want to add something or write something like along the lines of like flash sale or something like that, limited time. Okay, next. And once it's done, you can see here all the sending details. So the sending details, the engaged for 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. You can see all the recipient lists right here and a preview of your email. And once all is done, you can simply click on schedule or send in order to send it now or schedule it for later.